glorify your name.
So we see clearly here in this reference from Sirat al-Nabawiyah, Life of the Prophet Muhammad, we have earlier addressed this issue and the fact that the Al Aqsa Mosque was established by the tribe of Israel, by Jacob, peace be upon him. In both Sahih collections, it is stated, this land was made sacred by Allah, and He created the heavens and the earth. It is made sacred by the sanctity of Yahweh Allah until the day of judgment. And so we understand that the tribe of Israel that built the Dome of the Rock was indeed Banu Umayya from the Quraysh tribe. And this further confirms that the Quraysh tribe descends from the Israelites. This also further confirms that the people of Adnan descend from the Israelites. And since we find that there are many other Israelites that come from different tribes amongst the so-called Arabs, who we know are actually Jewish Arabs, okay, like Azid, we understand that they all share the same patrilineal line. So that makes all of the Fatimides Jews, okay? The world has been calling them Arabs, which is true, but they are Jewish Arabs, and they descend from the house of Israel. So let's look at this architecture that was built by the Israelites in the medieval times, Banu Umayya from the house of Quraysh, and the Israelite seed of Adnan.
ملك يوم هدي قد كان وذلك نشوف أنكلوا بذلك هايشا بذلك مشال عشرتي يدلاهم أشر لقرون فوليم والعمين دون Just like David, I just want to glorify you. Lord.